Hey guys, today we are going to be doing the recoil on an Echo cs-310. Any of the parts that I use in this will be in the description below. Just click on the link. This helps you out in any way, shape, or form. Give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe. So this one, the recoil is pulling the spring back in, but it's not engaging. So I think that these have like a dual spring system. So the inner spring is working for the recoil part, but the little spring that's underneath the little gear is probably broken. So it's just letting it spin. Or the pawls, the dog ears, the pawls are broken. So we're going to pop it open and find out which is which. This guy has a lot of broken stuff on this. How's that for an emergency brake, huh? Huh? Yeah. You know, the handle, that's serious stuff there, boy. Alright, let's pop this super dangerous contraption here apart. We're going to get this cover off of here. This is not wanting to pop free. There it goes. We're going to get this top cover out of here and out of the way. It's just so that we can, there's a little lip on this cover. It makes it easier to get it out. Then there's four, they're usually 5mm Allens. But these look like T27 Torx. There's four of them. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's missing 4. We're going to take them out. I think they're supposed to be 5mm Allens. These ones are T27 Torx, so actually they're T25 Torx. Then we're going to pull the recoil out. It's hanging up on some. Oh, I need 2 hands. I need to go hold this out of the way while I pull it up out. This is fine. So underneath this, if you take this Phillips or flathead out, underneath this is a little spring, and it sticks up through this little hole right here, and it hooks into the bottom piece. It's an extra little spring right there, but that one's good. The problem is these dog ears. These are metal ones that are not broken. We have to soak these with some oil, and then get some pliers on them and get them broken free. It's going to take a couple hands to do that. It's really frozen tight. This is diesel fuel and a little eyedropper deal. It seems to work better for breaking stuff like this free. It's just much thinner of an oil. We're going to keep working them. Just keep working it until it's nice and free, both sides. Once you've got it broken free with the diesel fuel, then you can spray the oil on, because that'll last longer than the diesel fuel. Diesel fuel will dry out very quickly, but it makes a great braking oil. I'm going to go ahead and get some more oil on this. I'm using seafoam. It's good stuff. Get it worked on in there. Now, worst case scenario, you have to pop these out. It's like a number 3, a 3mm Allen. Pop them out and then clean it all up and put it all back together. There needs to be a spring that pushes them back in. Just keep going until you know it's good and clean. Keep oiling it until you know you're good. We're going to take air and we're going to blow all this dirt out of here. Just get all this blowing out so it's nice and clean. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and put everything back together. Lay this in there. Put this recoil back in here. Oh, wait a minute. Let's get these wires hooked back up and where they go. Alright, bring this back in here. Gonna need 2 hands again. Kind of get this to drop all the way in. You put pressure down with this hand and then pull the recoil, and it kind of moves the dog ears all the way and drop it down all the way in. And then your 4 bolts, put them back in. You can't hold this at the same time. There we go. There's no spark plug in it. This guy's been in this thing big time, but that's the way that's supposed to work. Alright, so I just hooked, this lever was all the way up here, it goes all the way down here to fasten this. Blew it all out. Then you're going to go ahead and throw in your top cover here. There's like a little stud that goes into this hole. Just kind of going to line that up first. Get it to where it'll pop in, and then get the bottom, you know, the back end after that. And get these guys up top. Fasten down. Alright, this thing's ready to go, guys. I'll put all the parts that you could use for this recoil, the springs and the rope and stuff, in the description below. This one actually ended up being a nice easy fix. This helped you out in any way, shape, or form, give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button. If you want to do any advertising on my channel, message me. I'll be more than happy to have you.